This is Plateau English Online.
This is Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Typing, typing, letter, letter. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Printing, printing. Copying, copying. Get going, get going. Turn off, turn off. Computer, computer. Light, light. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mo. What's up?
Oh, hi Neil. Not much. You?
Same here. What are you doing?
I'm just typing a letter.
Oh, what are you doing for lunch?
I'm not sure yet. What are you doing?
I don't have any plans either. Would you like to get something together?
Yeah, sure. But let's be quick. I'm going to school this afternoon.
Okay. Can you go now?
Can you wait a minute?
Yeah, sure. What are you doing?
I typed the letter. Now I'm printing it.
Oh. Hey, what are you doing this Saturday?
I don't have any plan yet. You?
Same here. I don't have any plans yet.
Okay.
Ah, what are you doing now?
Well, I printed the letter. Now I'm copying it.
Oh, then can we get going?
Sure. I'm almost finished. Okay, no, I'm ready.
Great, let's get going.
Wait, I'm forgetting something.
What?
Oh, I need to turn off the computer.
Okay. Don't forget to turn off the printer and copier too.
Okay. I need to turn off the light too. Okay, all done. Let's get going.
Sure.